And you see here, this guy doesn't have global assignment functionality. This guy, like who I'm proxying, right? Edward Francis. It all depends on your permissions. What permission that you have been granted, right? You will be able to see only those options here. Or action that you can take it, right? Only those will be shown in this drop-down list.
Only the event reasons is a configurable, but events are not.
There are the 24 events. Yes, they are pretty much standard. And yes, we will not be able to add new events in your success factors, guys. Only the event reasons that will be shown as like a drop-down list on your screen. It's not under this particular place, not under take action, but I'll show you like event reasons in probably like next class. We will be working on those things. Yes, you will be able to add event reasons, your own custom event reasons. Yes, you will be able to customize those things as per your interest, guys. Not this take action. So it's all permissions related. What action that you can take it, right? It's all permission related.
I did not get on that event and event reason part that Ray asked. So, what is it like? Event is an action and event reason is like an action reason in SAP, is it?
Correct. We are going to work on that. We haven't discussed that yet, Smita.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, a quick question.
Yeah, Ray.
I think my user ID was reset yesterday, right? I think the permissions, I lost it.
Okay.
Proxy
Sure. Sure. I'll grant it, Ray. Probably like immediately after this session, right? Let me look into it. I'll activate that. Okay.
Sure. No, thank you.
Sorry, Raghu.
Yeah, go ahead.
That means the data model and objects are only configurable. Rest of them are standard features.
It's not. What are the rest of those things you feel that they are standard?
Like this second OC ask about take actions, action button to drop down menu, which is you mean to say this is a standards.
Correct.
Right? So the data modules and the objects we can configure.
Correct.
As per the requirement of the customers.
Yes.
And the rest of them, so you mean to say it's coming as a standard features of success factor. So we can customize as well.
Like how you do actions in SAP, like hiring, termination, or reorganization or job.
Yeah, promotion. Yes, those things are the events, and yes, they are pretty much standard events in your success factors, guys. We don't have any flexibility to go ahead and configure or create a new events. We don't have any flexibility. Yes, they are standard. Yes, the limitation is 24, guys.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Raghu,
Yeah.
created that group. I sent it.
Okay. Yeah, let me look into it. I saw your email. I just thought of showing you in this session, Madan. Let me show you that. Let me add Ray the required permissions to Ray. Yeah, you are good, Ray. It should be ideally it should be available to you because I added the category. It should be available, but just check in another 2 to 3 minutes, Ray. It should be available to you.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Madan. Let me go there, Madan. 1 second.
Okay.
One second. Sorry. It should be business configuration. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, right, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll meet in Monday session, guys.
Sorry, Raghu. Can I have this video session, please? Because I just lost 20 minutes of my system.
Yeah, okay, no worries, guys. This is the field. Yeah, can I know your name? Sorry?
Yeah, Sudhir.
Hey, Sudhir, yeah, definitely I'll send it to you, Sudhir.
And one more thing, this just showing at the moment. Because we in admin tool with the permission role we created new. In the metadata framework we create ID as well, the new ID, right, as per our requirement.
Correct.
But still had the error. What is the reason? What kind of workflow is running behind? Because the security permission we created, which is as per our requirement, isn't it?
No, no, I'm not getting you, Sudhir.
The, the, the permission first we created, right? And then we created the for the metadata framework the ID.
No,
Right?
are you talking about today's session, the object that we created for the custom object that we created?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we created a custom object and we assigned the permissions around the object, what fields, the permission role that can see or view or edit the data in that particular field or the object, the permissions we granted, and we created a screen. And we want to hook that screen as one of the views under the employee views, right? That is where
Right.
we are not able to find that screen ID in the available drop-down list of the MDF screens.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is nothing to do with you. The screen is going to be like you are as an administrator, you are adding that screen, right? That should be auto available to you. Once that is hooked to your employee files, who are the employees? Specific role employees should see that, and the rest of the others are not supposed to see that, right? Yes, again, it is one more permission under your permission roles. If you go to employee views, right? There you can select, yes, these are the people who can see this employee view, the new view that we created, and these are the people who are not supposed to see. We can categorize like that. But somehow that screen ID is not at all available to us in the drop-down list, Sudhir. Let me look at it. Ideally, it should be available, guys. Usually, it will take 1 or 2 minutes, but not more than that. But somehow that is not working, guys. Let me look into it. If something is wrong, right? I'll correct that. Yeah,
All right. Thanks, Raghu.
yeah.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
Sudhir. Yep. This is the field, right? You added Madan.
Raghu, Kavita here.
Yeah, 1 second,
Yes.
Kavita. Let me finish this, and I'll get back to you, Kavita. So you added that, and now did you granted permissions around that particular field, Madan?
Yeah, I did that.
Let me go here. Yeah, let me check that, and we'll see. Let me go to manage permission roles. It's a 10, right? Field 10, customizable field 10. No, not this one. 1 second now.
Yeah, that's a quick custom test. Should be under job info, right?
Yeah, it should be under job info. Oops. Background, user information, HR information, employment details. Where did you granted that permission, Madan?
Yeah, under the, just search for the blood group. I think somewhere in the job information.
Okay. No, blood group is again like one of the standard fields under different object. You see here, I don't see this field coming up.
Yes, you're here.
Okay. Yeah, just checking here. Yeah, you can see this is the one, right, that you added blood group, and yes, we have the permissions.
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah, let me go and check that, Madan. Now, if I go to any employee, let's say, and now if I go to the employment information,
Able to see blood group here. Yes.
interesting. You added under time of field. Let me go job, and let me check the properties of this field also.
Okay.
Because you see here, it's been added under the time of related. You can under the employment information, you have several sections, right? It should be under the job info section. Is here? If you
Job
have the
I
job,
added in the time of it.
yeah. Let me check the properties also. And yes, it is editable, which is good, and enable not a mandatory. Yeah. Oh, it should be good, guys. It should be good, Madan.
Okay.
Yeah, just log up and log in and check it. It should be available under your job information.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Kavita. Hello, Kavita.
Raghu, yeah, my system was actually rebooted in between, so I lost 15 minutes when you were explaining metadata framework. So can you please send the today's recording to me as well?
Yeah, okay, Kavita.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Rupesh, are you there, Rupesh?
Sorry, Raghu. Any chance to update?
Rupesh?
Yeah, Raghu.
Hey, Raghu, can you
Yeah,
send us
Raghu.
the record?
Yeah, Raghu.
Hey, Rupesh. Yeah, Rupesh. Can you stay back, Rupesh? Yeah, I just want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Go ahead, guys. Yeah, who is this?
Raghu, this is Nirmal. Can you send us a
Raghu,
recording?
Yeah. Sure. Nirmal. I'll send it to everyone, guys. No worries. I'll send it to everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. Raghu, this is red. I think still it will take time, and I just checked the permissions. Maybe I was missing that RBP and all those things.
You are good, Ray. It should not take this much time. Because you have seen that, right? I added that under the permission. Let me properly into your account. 1 second. You should be good at least by this time.
If I am missing any other step, so I'm just wondering. Maybe you can just quickly check and see.
Yeah, I'm checking that, Ray. Yeah. You have admin tools and
No, if I go to set user permissions, I don't see all the options.
okay. This is what you're talking about. Okay. Yeah, I'll add that. Yeah. But you have all the permissions to do rest of those things.
The other activities I can do. If
I got
do
it.
Something.
Let me add that. Yes. You should go to the manage RBP. Under that, you have to add your own user ID. Let me. If we go to this thing, right, you can see manage role-based permission access.
Yeah.
And this is the place where your ID will be missing. Yes, your ID is created recently, right? I missed that to add here. Now you should be good.
Yeah.
Just
Thank you.
check another 1 or 2 minutes. You should have that access, the complete access, right?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Anything else, guys?
Sorry, Raghu.
Tomorrow we'll.
Did you have any chance to update on posing system from XML file?
No. I uploaded one of the users, Anshmita or someone, and one file went well. The other file it errored out, and I don't hear after that. Let me skip those guys, and I'll proceed with the rest of those things in the queue, guys. Once I upload it, right, I'll reply to your email, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll go on first in, first out. People who first send it to me, right? I'll reply to their email address. Once they verify it, right, I'll upload the rest of the people's. Yep. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's all for today, guys.
See you same time tomorrow.
Yeah. Same time, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, guys. Monday.
Thank
Yep.
you.
Okay.
Thanks, Raghu.
Yep. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Yeah, Rupesh here.
Hey, Rupesh. Hold just a minute, Rupesh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Shall I call you, Rupesh?
Yeah, you can call me on my, you have my landline number?
No, I don't have your landline number. I don't think so.
Okay, I have a connectivity issue with my, my flat. So, okay, my landline number is 040
040
2980
2980.
6117.
Okay. Sure. Okay, Rupesh. I'll call you. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Rupesh. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.